Okay, good morning, guys. Uh, I would like to start this video from the minute of silence dedicated to the person who passed away, to the in the bright memory of Costa Kudo. Guys, I will play the short video for you.
Друзья, всем привет, с вами проект Cryptology, я Константин Кудой. У нас с вами утренний обзор BTC. Спасибо вам, ребята, большое за то, что вы нас очень сильно поддерживаете, за то, что помогаете нам развиваться, и надеюсь, мы для вас даем очень ценный контент. Ставьте комментарии, ставьте лайки, и всем хорошего дня.
Okay. So, and then we are going to start our weekly review. Because today we're going to check what's happened last week on the market, and we'll try to figure it out what's gonna happen this week. Okay, and as usual, we are starting from Dixie Dollar Index. So what we can see on weekly time frame. So the last week was bullish, a hella bullish. So yeah, I'm not sure. As usual, we have only two scenarios. So one of those that we continuing going up, or we are doing a small pullback, grab some liquidity in here, and then continuation of move. But I will more expect the small rotation, some pullback. Yeah, as we can see that the previous day was a really good sell. So now we have a few zones on in here. So here we go with our daily fair value gap here and then here. So I would like to see this as the targets for today, at least here, minimum, even here. That would be nice. Okay, now if we're going lower, fall, then okay, we can remove this. So as we can see here, we test a 0.5 threshold here, and then also we got a BPR in here that I was expected as it was expected. Yes, guys. So H4, yeah, there is no sense go here. Yeah, BPR we already marked here. So yeah, that's what I would like to see today. That's what I would like to see today. Yeah. Okay. So Dixie targets are completely understandable, I think. And yeah, we have a downtrend, and I think we're gonna continuing go down. So the euro is gonna go up high as fuck, high as fuck. One guy from our community, I he taught me a new word. You know, there is weed and there is rest. And in Ukrainian, if you combine these two words, it's called weed починок. So yeah, you got it. I hope so. Okay, so weekly time frame on euro, we have here a weekly imbalance. Our 1 week fair value gap here. That's a big. Oh, okay, but like we can't call it fair value gap because this week only started, and yeah, it can go up here, and then just do a pullback, and we and close the candle somewhere here, and we're not gonna notice that. So it's it's a bit yeah, tough. So yeah, I expect this candle to turn around at daily. Yes, the same as Dixie says. Okay, okay. So yeah, as Dixie was here, we got the SMT with Dixie. Dixie already did the test of this. We can say the BPR. Dixie already was here. So today I would like to see continuation of long movement, and yeah, as we can see here at daily time frame, we have nothing in here, only a small daily inverted imbalance here, but this is gonna be as a rejection for now. But yeah, only on the younger time frame. Here we can see the H4 fair value gaps that wasn't tested that good. So what would I like to see? What would I like to see? My expectations built on this. So this H4 fair value gap, I want to see it tested deeper somewhere here to 0.5, and then I want to see a good long, and yeah, the targets. The first rejection is daily, so my targets will be here. Yeah, maybe it's a bit too much, but I believe that with the macro events. Oh, sorry, I'm still sleeping. Yeah, with all the situation in the world, this can happen with tariff wars, with China tariffs, and the crazy guy Trump who thinks he's the yeah, just a regular granny who need a wheelchair. Okay, okay. So that's the plan for euro. What I see now, that's what could happen. So we do a small retest because this was not in the session time, this candle. So I would like to see a deeper test in here, small short, and then strong long continuation, maybe even deeper for liquidity in here, but I'm not sure. For sure, this diapason probably. Okay, then so what we can see. So GER closed the week with sweep with liquidity sweep, as we can see, and I can't say that's a good sign because I was so bullish, but now everything turns a bit different. Okay, then yes, yeah. So what do we have? We have here as well a strong BPR, and yeah, this candle was closed. Yeah, swept up. Okay, and we tested this imbalance H4 daily zone. So yeah, we already reached the weekly targets in one day when the pig starts shitting in his mic again. So it is what it is. Yeah, but it's still hella bullish, and I would expect a little bit deeper test of this fair value gap, and then continuation of a long, because if we do zoom out, we can see that this index is only growing, is only going up. Yeah, going up, 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 up. So bullish, hella bullish. So mm, so what we can see, now, if we do. So we have here H4 BPR in daily BPR. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be too much lines. This we can remove. This also. It's not interested for us anymore. Okay, I'm gonna mark this just for now, so you know that we have a BPR here and BPR here. So BPR inside of BPR. That's a good rejection zone. What I can say, only like really good rejection zone. And yeah, if we go then lower, yeah, that's probably will be the zone what I want to work from. Yeah, we have a small imbalance on hourly time frame. We got a reaction from this hourly imbalance, and we also made this rejection here imbalance. So yes. So we go here and then we go down. In other case, we go from this imbalance a little bit lower, and then we go here, and then we go down. But I more than sure for like 60, okay, 50% that we are going to test this BPR, because yeah, there's probably a lot of liquidity in this zone, so it should be, it should happen. It needs to be here. So, and what we can see a little bit closer, yeah, I think we could see a reaction from this hourly imbalance, because the M15 candle did the fulfill, and but it was closed lower than the imbalance. So, but I would like to wait until the Frankfurt to London to open something on GER. So yeah. Yeah, good one. Okay, and last body for today. Hella bullish, guys. Look at this. Look at this. What is this? What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the 9 week of marathon from gold. such a strong uptrend, and I think we're gonna go higher and higher. Yeah, so daily imbalance was tested. This is too far now. Daily here was a good test. 0.5 threshold fulfill. I don't really know what to say. Only what you can do with gold is long scenario works very well, probably. Then we have here inversion for age imbalance. Inversion imbalance at 4H. So I'll do it yellow. Oh shit. Shibura. Shermuda. Okay. So yes, as we beat the previous day high, I would like to see a small pullback at least to enter the trade. So yeah, this if we don't go just like straight up, so we go here to test the H4 fair imbalance, this imbalance, and then we go up. That's the way I see it, or no. Yeah, you never know what the market will do. All we guys know what happened at the weekend, what happened with crypto market and with some altcoins, and how what influence it got on the people and what happened. That's really sad. Nobody can predict this, and it's really tough to see how people end their lives because of the shit money. Just remember, the money is not, it doesn't worth it. Your life is priceless. You just remember that you can always return everything you lost. It's gonna take time, but you will have that time. Okay, so yeah, gold. I don't see any other options, so only a small pullback and then come back, come back. Okay. Yeah, GER, euro, and dollar. Guys, I wish you a good week, the productive week. Don't forget about your stop loss, and don't put the risk in the trade that you can handle. That's really important. And take care about your mental health. Otherwise, yeah, different things can happen. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, guys, and have a good day. We'll see you tomorrow.